Dr. Gerald Rollins, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon here with Carolina Orthopaedic and Neurosurgical Associates. I've been an orthopedic surgeon here in Spartanburg since 1982, and love being an orthopedic surgeon just as much now as I did 35 years ago. My education, I went to the University of Virginia to be an engineer, and decided to change into medicine. Went to medical school also at the University of Virginia, and then did 6 years specializing in orthopedic surgery, finishing at the University of Virginia also. Decided to settle in Spartanburg. It's the hometown of my best friend from college and med school, and have loved being able to live and practice and raise my family here in Spartanburg. Orthopedics has changed. In the 80s, everybody did a little bit of everything, and now we specialize. So that my main focus is artificial joints, arthroscopic surgery, and fracture care.